Hey, it's Terry Bontemps. Hey, knowing how to raise money is probably one of the most important skills that you will need to learn as a real estate investor. By learning how to use OPM, which is other people's money, you'll be able to close more transactions and make more money. When you know how to calculate the profit potential of your fix and flips and you develop the ability to raise money, you'll never need to borrow money again from the bank. I got to say that one more time, okay? When you know how to calculate and the profit potential of your fix and flips and you develop the ability to raise money, you'll never need to borrow money again from a bank. If you want to make more money on your real estate deals, you have to become great at recognizing how much profit each deal will make. Level 5 is about working with a joint venture money partner. Your money partner puts up all the money to fund the deal, including the amount of money to purchase the property, the repairs, the closing costs, and the real estate commissions. We will call this amount of money in the game your total investment needed or the amount of money you need to close the deal. Your job is simply to find the deal, evaluate it, put it under contract, oversee the rehab, and get the property sold in 3 months. Bank Foreclosure Millionaire will teach you how to evaluate your deals quickly and easily using this system. So you need to learn how to figure out how much a 50-50 profit split will be for you and your money partner that funds the deal. Okay, after your money partner receives their initial investment back, then you'll split the profits 50-50 equally. But what is your money partner's return on their investment? What does that amount to dollar-wise? What does that amount to as far as a return on their investment? What does a 60-40 profit split look like? In the game, you and I receive the largest share of the profits. In real life, your money partner may get the largest share of the profits. It's all negotiable, but you need to learn your numbers so that you know how profits are split and how to calculate the ROI, the return on your investment for your money partner. What about a 70-30 profit split? And again, what's the ROI? What's the return on the investment for your money partner if we keep 70% of the profits and give them 30%? What if you negotiate a $4,000 upfront fee for finding the deal and then you split the profits 50-50? What does that look like? What's the best deal for you and your money partner, okay? You must create a win-win situation for you as an investor and your money partner's capital investment. So let's go ahead and play the game. Again, level 5, okay? You have to pay the $99 fee in order to access level 5, okay? Level 1, 2, and 3 in my game, which is wholesaling, rehabbing, and being a landlord, those are all free. It's a free trial version to try out my game, see if you like it. But everything else, level 4, level 5, 6, 7, and 8, again, that's $99. So here we go. All right, let's start over here. Let's pan over to California, and I'm going to click that button. Here comes me, you, driving up an automobile. We ran an ad in the newspaper, and a motivated seller has called us. We've set an appointment to come see him. We drove over. Now we're taking a look at the house. We look at the comps. We find out that the after repair value on this property is $77,000, okay? It needs $8,000 worth of repairs. Now what I want you to do is take your first finger and kind of pan up on the app in the game. You'll find out there's more information at the bottom. All this in again is telling you that we're going to find a partner to put up all the money for the deal. We are going to get the larger share of the profit. So when we play the game, remember, we get the larger percentage profit on the deal. So I'm going to pan this back down so I can see my numbers. Again, the first question is, how much is your wholesale mail? WMAO means wholesale mail. Again, you got to remember the formula. The formula for wholesale mail is simply this: ARV times 70% minus repairs minus $5,000, which is the $5,000 is the finder's fee or the flip fee we're asking. We're not flipping on this level, but that's the lowest price that we've offered, and this owner is distressed. They got to get out. They accept that offer. So let's go in and calculate what that offer is. Simply 77,000 times 70% is 53.9. I deduct the 8,000 is 45.9. Then I deduct the 5,000 fee. That's 40,900 is what I'm going to put in this box. Let me see if my math's correct because I'm doing it off the top of my head. 40,900. Voila, okay, good. That's our wholesale mail price. We offered that owner for that property $40,900. They took it. Now we have a contract, so we're going to go out and try to find somebody to bring all the money to the table. We're going to fix it up, and then we're going to sell it. Then we'll split the profits, okay? So how much money is totally needed to buy the property with the repairs and the closing costs? All we got to do now is add the repairs to this number and the 10% of the closing costs. So $8,000 at that is $48,900. 10% of the after repair value is $7,700, $48,900. So that's going to be $56,600. Again, let me make sure my math is correct. That's why I love this game. Yes, okay. All right, so how much is our profit if we split 50-50? Again, I want you guys to remember the amount of money my money partners bring into the deal is $56,600. We're going to use this number quite a bit. Again, $56,600 is what we need to close the transaction. Now, if I sold the house for $77,000, we deduct the $56,600, that's going to leave a total of $20,400 as the total profit. $20,400 is our total profit. Remember that also, $20,400 total profit. We're going to split that 50-50. So $20,400 split 50-50 is $10,200. That's a pretty easy number to remember. $10,200. Let's see if that's right. Bam, there we go. I get $10,200, you get $10,200. The money partner that put the money up, they get $10,200. So let's see what that amounts to as far as a return on investment, okay? The money partner is going to put up $56,600. They're going to get back $10,200. Let's determine what the return on investment is going to be. So I have to go out to my calculator. Again, the profit is $10,200. Then I got to divide it by the investment, $56,600. And that's going to equal 18.02. Okay, so I go to the game. My money partner, if I'm correct, will make 18.02% as a return on their investment. Voila, there we go. So essentially what we're saying is this. I'm looking for a money partner. Okay, you put up all the money to close this transaction. The house is worth $77,000. It needs $8,000 repairs. I need $56,600 from a money partner. What I would do is split the profits 50-50 with you. Okay, and I'm going to give you an 18% return on your investment. Your total profit is going to be $10,200 for putting up the $56,600. That's the way you sell it. That's the way you pitch it. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, how much is the profit if we split 60-40? Again, we get the larger share. The total profit is $20,400. $20,400. And we're going to multiply that by 60%. That's going to equal $12,240. That's your profit. That's my profit. $12,240. Voila, doing great. So let's go in and see what our money partner's return on investment is. So I go back to the calculator. My profit is $12,240. The overall profit is $20,400. So I have to subtract that from this number. So my money partner's profit is $8,160. Now, again, in order to calculate the ROI, I divide my investor's profit into the amount that they brought to the table, which is $56,600, to close the transaction. Their return is 14.41. So let's go back to the game. I put in 14.41. Oh, I'm wrong. So let me just round up there. That make it real simple. 14.42. There we go. That's how we split 60-40. So again, how you sell this and pitch this. There's an after repair value of $77,000. Okay, it needs $8,000 in repairs. Money partner, I will split profits with you. Okay, I will give you 40% of the transaction, the profits, which is going to amount to $8,160 profit for you, but it's going to produce a 14.42% return. Let's move on to the next one. Let's do a 70-30 split. Again, the total profit was $20,400. That's where we start. And I have to multiply that by 70%. Who gets the 70%? I just want to remind you guys, who gets the 70%? That's right, we do. So our profit's going to be $14,280 on a 70-30 split. $14,280. Bam! Okay, let's find out what our money partner's return on investment is going to be. Money partner's return on investment. Again, I got to deduct the total investment, which is $20,400. That's going to equal $6,120. That's my money partner's profit on this transaction. We got to calculate their return on investment. So I got to divide it by the total investment that they brought to the table to close the deal. Again, it's $56,600. I got to go back to the game. Going a little too fast here. So $14,280. $14,280. I got to backtrack, minus the $20,400. Again, I'm going to my partner's profit. I got a little too fast. Divided by the 56.6, which is the investment. That produces a 10.8% return. 10.81 to be exact. 10.81. Bam, there we go. That's my money partner's ROI. Let's do one more. We're going to do the $4,000 up front and split the deal 50-50. So the total profit again is what, you guys? Come on. I know you remember now. You're doing good. $20,400. We're going to deduct, whoops, I'm getting excited. $20,400. We're going to deduct the $4,000 up front. Golly, what is going on with my big fat fingers? $20,400 minus $4,000 equals 20,400 minus 4,000 equals $16,400. Okay, that's my $4,000 up front. But remember, we're going to split it 50-50 after that. So we're going to divide it by 2. That's going to give my money partner $8,200, $8,200. Now, our profit is this $8,200 plus the $4,000 that we got up front. So that's a total of $12,200 as our profit. $12,200. Voila! Let's go in there and figure out what my money partner's return on the investment is going to be. So again, their profit is $8,200. We divide that by the total amount needed to close the transaction, which is $56,600. Bam, 14.48%. 14.48. That's going to be their return. 14.48. Oh, I just got to move over the round up actually. 14.49. There's that cashier sound. I love it. I love it. I love it. Hey, there we go. That's level 5, you guys. And if again you notice, with the California property up in the corner, it's dim. So that means we've already completed that deal. We got to go out and find another deal now, okay? We got to get some signs out. We got to do some type of marketing to get people to call us. We got to go knock on doors, maybe if homeowners in foreclosure, and basically find more deals so we can make more money as real estate investors. Hey, that's level 5. My name is Terry Bontemps, and I tell you what, I love this game. I really believe this is the best real estate education training platform for real estate investors. Why? Because I teach you the formulas, okay? The coach, again, is that flashing icon. Every time you start a level, you must click that icon, and there's a mentor that will teach you these formulas, what we just went through. Have your paper and pencil and the calculator, go through the calculations, learn them, and then go out and start buying houses. That's the way it works in real life. So I'll teach you the strategies. I'll teach you the formulas. You got to go out and learn this stuff, and you practice before you get into the real world, which is going to build confidence in you. So I've never seen a training platform where you can learn the strategies, practice them, get better, build confidence, and then go out in the real world, and you're probably going to do pretty good, okay? Most times you go to a seminar, you sit in a seminar for 3 days, you get a bunch of material, you get information overload, and when you leave, you can't figure out what you learned, and you're kind of like lost. So you go out in the real world, you don't know whether to go right, left, straight, you don't have any coaching to help you. But again, this game, I think, is the best real estate training platform in the world because it uses game-based learning and teaching. Hey, if you're looking for a coach, okay, or a mentor to work with you on a more personal one-on-one type level, please give me a call. If you have any questions regarding this game, you're having any problems, there's any bugs I need to work out, please call me. My number is 916-470-3869. Again, it's 916-470-3869. I hope you're enjoying the game. I hope you're learning. I hope you're making a lot of money. This is Terry Bontemps. See you on the next video.